Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes.
Okay, y'all, let's get straight into this hair review. So I did already bleach the knots on this wig. It is a 4x4 closure wig, and actually the curls are super nice. I washed it, like shampoo and conditioning. So y'all ready? Because honestly I'm excited because I haven't had more curly hair in a long time. I'm ready. So I'm not gonna put on a wig cap or anything just because I don't really like wig caps. I don't think they really make much of a difference for me. I tend to do caps more when I have a frontal, but with closure wigs, honestly, I don't really do caps. Even though they gave me the perfect color cap, I'm just gonna save them for next time. But let's just try this baby on, see if she even fit. I really love a good closure wig though, because I mean you can't go wrong. It got 2 combs on the sides, and 1 in the back, and 1 in the middle. So you don't have to really worry about that. 4x4 is kind of small though, I ain't gonna lie. Okay, so the curls are semi-giving ramen noodles, but I'm gonna pull them out and we're gonna see if that fixes it. I told you I bleached the knots on it, so I shouldn't have to do too much. But I'm trying to decide if I want to do a middle part or a side part. Let me get my comb. So can y'all see the hair better? I feel like you can see it better now. It's like a better angle.
Only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk.
This hot comb is from the Beauty Supply store. It's the Annie one. It's not that great of a hot comb. Honestly, I wouldn't recommend it if you don't have one. I would suggest you get the one from Amazon, like the Hot Tools one. That one works a lot better, but that's the one I have on hand right now. So this wig did give me like the baby hairs already pulled out and kind of cut, so I'm just gonna clip my hair back. I've been using this E-Bit Wonder Bun. I absolutely love it. This is the one in the red bottle. I know they have a purple, not purple, a yellow bottle too, but I haven't tried the yellow one. But I do really like this one, so I'm just gonna spray on top of this. Actually, this looks kind of crooked.
God, what can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
I'm gonna take some spritz and spray one side and blow dry it down just so it'll be super flat. This is the key to getting it super flat. You gotta do this part. So you spray with some spritz and take your blow dryer, but make sure you comb it in the direction you want it to go, because once it goes down, it's not coming back up. So you hold it.
Tell me that you can see what I see, feeling wrapped up in the warmth of Sunday memories, but I don't even.
I'm just gonna start like pulling out the curls because they get a little too tight, and I want to see if I want to like shape it some, but I don't think I am. I think I just need to like pull out the curls. So I'm gonna go through and put a little oil on my hands. I'm using this Kinky Flexi oil. It's probably too thick for this hair, but it's just so it doesn't get like super frizzy.
But all I know is step by step, but then again I don't want to wait for bliss when all I really need is only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk.
Y'all, this hair though, y'all see the curls?
All I got, what can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
just do a little edge reveal, baby. Okay. Y'all, that is, when I say laid, I mean laid. Usually, like, okay, see how this is like this? This is the cap. Normally, I don't braid my hair, so I leave my hair out on the edges, but I might pull out just a little bit of my edges just so it's like something over here. Yeah, so I pull out my edges over here and do it on the other side. Just my little sideburn parts. The rest of it I can pretty much cover up.
What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I cannot do. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Million things I don't know.
The problem is, this is a lot of baby hair right here. Like, what I'm gonna do with all this baby hair? Like, it's straight, so what am I supposed to do? Okay, let me take it out. I really want this hair to go back. So JunodaWig wanted me to come and tell you a bit of their brand story. So basically, the owner met this lady who was having a hard time finding hair care service, finding a quality hair salon to go to. So Junoda basically made this hair company dedicated to women wanting to feel more confident and comfortable with their hair by supplying them with really good wigs. So thank you so much to Junoda Hair for sponsoring this video.
It's empty, only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
Later.
So this is just our last finishing touches. I'm going to, well, obviously I did my makeup and I didn't film it. So if you like makeup tutorials, make sure you subscribe to my channel, girl, because I do makeup tutorials here sometimes. Okay, so for my last finishing touch, I'm just gonna put some powder on my part. Wow, the lace though, the lace is lacing. And I mean it's lacing in a good way. I did put my edges down right here. Like, I feel like I wish I had some right here, like a little edge right here, but I think it looks pretty natural, so I'll let that be. So let me put some powder on my lace on my part. Like, I didn't have to put any powder or anything right here. I did put a little bit of bronzer right there just because I bronzed my forehead, but girl, you ain't even gotta do all this.
Only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
Okay, so this is the finished look. Remember, if you want to get this wig, everything is in the description box. I think it's fire. The curls are perfect. Like, this like actually curly hair, but it's not like drawn up curly hair. Like, this is 22 inches and it looks like 22 inches. It's not like super short or just like super puffy. It's like perfect curly hair. Ah! Girl, you can't tell me nothing, girl. You can't tell me nothing. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
sleep. I just sleepwalk. I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.